Welcome to the English Way. Today we bring you a powerful story for Women's Day week. It is the story of a woman who did not chase fame. She did not seek power. She chose something greater. She chose to serve. This is the story of Mother Teresa, the woman who chose to serve the poor. Mother Teresa was born in 1910 in Skopje, which is now part of North Macedonia. Her birth name was Agnes Gonza Bojaxiu. She grew up in a simple family. Her parents taught her the value of kindness and faith. From a young age, she felt a strong desire to help others. When she was just 18 years old, she left her home and joined a group of nuns. She moved to Ireland first, and later to India. Imagine that, a teenage girl leaving her country forever. No phone calls, no easy travel back home, just faith and courage. Her life in India. Mother Teresa arrived in Calcutta, India in 1929. She became a teacher at a convent school. For many years, she taught geography to young girls. But outside the school walls, she saw something that changed her life. She saw extreme poverty. She saw people sleeping on the streets. She saw children without food. She saw the sick and the dying with no one to care for them. One day, while traveling on a train, she felt what she later called a call within a call. She believed God was asking her to leave the convent and serve the poorest of the poor. And she listened. In 1948, she stepped out into the streets of Calcutta with only a few coins in her pocket. No big organization, no financial support, just determination. She began teaching poor children in open spaces. She cared for sick people no one else wanted to touch. She cleaned wounds. She fed the hungry. She held the hands of the dying. Later, she started a new religious community called the Missionaries of Charity. Their mission was simple: to care for the poorest of the poor. What started with one woman soon grew into a global movement. Her impact on the world. Mother Teresa's work spread beyond India. Her organization opened homes for the sick, orphanages for children, and shelters for the homeless in many countries. People around the world began to notice her work. In 1979, she received the Nobel Peace Prize. But when she accepted the award, she did not speak about herself. She spoke about love. She spoke about compassion. She spoke about caring for those who are forgotten. She once said, "Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love." That sentence changed how many people think about service. Like many famous figures, Mother Teresa also faced criticism. Some people questioned her methods. Some disagreed with her beliefs. But through praise and criticism, she remained focused on her mission. She continued serving. She continued loving. She continued showing up every day for those in need. Her strength was quiet. Her power was gentle. But her impact was global. Her legacy. Mother Teresa passed away in 1997, but her work did not end. Thousands of sisters in the Missionaries of Charity continue to serve in many countries today. In 2016, she was declared a saint by the Catholic Church. Yet beyond awards and titles, her true legacy is something deeper. She reminded the world that kindness matters. She showed that one person can make a difference. She proved that service is not a weakness, it is a strength. From Mother Teresa's story, we learn, courage is not always loud. Leadership is not always about position. Success is not always about money. Sometimes, greatness is simply choosing to care. If you want to improve your English, remember this too. You do not need to speak perfectly. You just need to speak with heart. Small daily practice leads to big change, just like small acts of love can change the world. Thank you for listening to The English Way. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, even small actions done with great love can change the world. See you in the next episode.